Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video over here in Monaco. And today, I'm actually joined by a lot of wonderful people here at the crypto table. And I actually want to discuss real briefly with you guys about Luna. So for example, Didi.
Yeah.
You hold any Luna?
No.
So what do you think actually happened today?
I missed $1 million because there was a 5,000% pump and they didn't allow me to buy.
And Rover?
I think you can definitely trade it right now, but for the long term, I don't know if it's the most best coin to hold right now.
So are you trading anything?
I'm trading it. Yeah, well, of course, we tried to be buying it on 50 cents, but yeah, it's pretty high volume, pretty high slippage. So unfortunately, I was not able to buy it on the exact low, but it's definitely worth to check it out right now. And make sure to benefit from the volatility, because if there's volatility, you can make a lot of money.
And James, you had the most fun story about it, huh?
Yeah, I was on the countdown of Luna on Bybit, and I had a $50,000 order, so it would have been around 100,000 Luna. Now it would be worth 2.6 million, but the order on Bybit wasn't going through because they limited to 3,000 quantity, but still, it's okay.
So what do you think is going to happen to Luna from now?
I said before that I think we'll reach 50 billion market cap.
50 billion?
Yeah, but it's just going to reach that, then stabilize around 20 billion, 15 billion.
Oh, wow.
And then, but still, good.
That's very nice.
It has a big community.
And what do you think about Bitcoin right now, as an example?
26,500. Hopefully double bounces there. If we don't,
I mean, you know
Very
what's
bad.
interesting? What we see every single time the stock market moves up and Bitcoin goes down, and right now it's close in the weekend, Bitcoin likes moving in the weekend towards the upside. So maybe we are going to get the same, like last week, move towards the upside of the course of the weekend, because it came down the whole week against the S&P. So maybe it's going to come back this weekend, hopefully.
And what do you think?
double bounce 26,500.
Yeah.
And that would be double bottom. Hopefully. Or
Let's
we're
see.
in a bear market for 2 years.
Just DCA.
DCA. And Didi, what do you think?
Just keep buying, guys. Keep buying. We are now talking about 2K less and 3K less.
Yeah.
In a few years,
Like-
we will
like-
be at 200K or 250K. Just buy the fuck out of every day of the Bitcoin. And tell your boss to pay you in Bitcoin instead of fiat. Fiat is inflation, Bitcoin is deflation. Your life will become cheaper. You will be spending time with this view instead of your office. Cube.
And Don, I have a fun question for you, by the way.
Tell me.
You hold any XRP?
Oh, I mean, I do hold some XRP, but like, not that much. I do hold some, and I'm never going to look at it. I'm never going to sell it for you. You told me. You convinced me. So,
This is always a fun conversation to have, by the way. And by the way, in terms of what I'm thinking, I think Luna is actually very dangerous to go for and to have, but I think you can make a lot of money with it. So right now, for example, over on Bybit, there's the link. And actually, Dan explained it to me. If you make an account yourself without the link, you get a $400 bonus. If you use the link, you get up to $4,800 or so?
4,800, yeah. It's pretty crazy.
$4,800 worth of bonuses, which is honestly why I say check it out for yourself. Because the thing is to make money on Luna, not to actually hold it for a long time. I don't think it's going to be the best one. Then again, people have different opinions, as you guys have
And
heard.
also, make sure to benefit from the market. Like, market is down, so benefit from the deposit bonuses right now. It's very good.
I think so.
It's free. Use the free money in the market.
And by the way, so I showed you guys already, I think, but we have the view over here. I'm not exactly sure how to switch over the camera, like all the way. This is split view. Give me a second. So again, I'm trying some different stuff, but this is really crazy, right? Over here in Monaco. I already showed you guys from the hotel room yesterday, but this is so nice. And we're going to the Formula One in just a second. I've also shared with you guys a lot of videos over on Instagram. If you're not following me there yet, just go ahead and check it out. And I'm gonna try, if I can. Here, this is the Luna price, Luna chart. It's been absolutely wild. Went to $30 right now. It's at about 15 or so. And I said to everybody, you know, if you could buy this one early, it's definitely worth it. But Bybit had a couple of troubles because obviously it is crazy busy at these times, right? So I was basically telling you in the Telegram group what the price was doing, not necessarily what you guys should do, mostly because I'm afraid that people will lose money on a crazy coin like this. If you know what you're doing though, this is definitely a crazy opportunity to hopefully make some juicy freaking trades here, because it's gonna be so volatile. Then again, James, I'll share with you guys the names of the exact channels in just a second. You have James Stock Guru or Crypto Guru now. Didi, you'll find it in the Bitcoin family and Crypto Rover. So basically the price is so much down already. It's like halfway down. You can see and you can feel this volatility. Be fearful, be scared in the sense that this might go to zero, absolutely. But you'll see different opinions. You'll see people buying for sure. I'm just telling people, you know, don't go too heavy on anything like this. I'm watching for Bitcoin, by the way, this structure. And you guys know, whenever I'm trading XRP or anything like that, I watch the Bitcoin structure to see what it does and then react to that. You know, so if Bitcoin is pumping up, then there's a higher chance that XRP will pump and the Luna will pump and so on, right? You look at the structure of the Bitcoin for like your central thesis or whatever you want to call it right there, right? Oh, what a flashing light again. So yeah, that's my little story right now. Luna's up a crazy amount. Luna 2.0 is worth like $30 billion at one point today, fully diluted obviously. And I'm telling everybody, if you're gonna buy this one, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you use bonuses if you're gonna attempt this type of stuff. It's way more worth it. But at the end of the day, it's your own choice, right? I'm gonna share a lot of my trades over in Telegram nowadays. I've really been thinking about it. Like, I trade a lot. How many times do I share it over on YouTube? Maybe once a month, or something like that. I'm thinking, man, it's actually really like a miss out. It's not as if me sharing my trade is gonna cost me anything or anything along those lines. So I'm just gonna have to put a little bit more work in and share everything. But I guess I'll have to go through the effort, you know? But yeah, guys, just a quick little update on Luna. It's officially launched. You got the airdrop. Binance is a little bit late. Bybit, you got already a Luna. What's gonna happen now? I personally think if you're gonna buy this one, make sure you're really like looking at it. Set sell orders, and for the bigger crypto, of course, DCA, regardless of what happens. You heard the people's predictions about Bitcoin. Just get you guys in on a little bit of info. These are all big crypto YouTubers, you know, and Twitter people. So I want to get you guys in on some action. Just quickly checking if there's a couple other people here. They've all left, but yeah, it's a crazy week, guys. Look at the nice little, we had some breakfast there just now. Everybody's leaving, I think, so. All right, guys, I might actually make a video at the Formula One if I can, so that you guys will find it interesting. We'll talk some more juicy altcoins though, right? We'll see. But that was it for today, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Make sure you check the link down below for everything. Check Twitter, check Instagram maybe. See you guys later.